Hello, children. Good morning to you all. So, what were we doing? We were doing our chapter 5, Anita and the honeybees. So, in this video, we will discuss about types of honeybees and how many types of honeybees are present in a beehive. There are worker bees, male bees, queen bee. Okay, so we will learn about them in this video. Firstly, okay, so let's see honeybees and their life. So children, as you can see in this picture, here is a queen bee, right? This is a queen bee. So honeybees have a very unique life. It means the life of honeybees are a little different from other insects. Okay, they live in beehives. Okay, everyone know where honeybees lives in beehives. Every beehive has one queen bee. Okay, how many queen bee are present in one beehive? There is one queen bee in one beehive. Okay, so remember this. In one beehive there is only one queen bee. Okay, so keep this in your mind. A queen bee lays eggs. What does a queen bee do, children? A queen bee lays eggs. It can lay up to 2000 eggs in a single day. So, what does a queen bee do? It lays eggs, and how many eggs it can lay up in a single day? Up to 2000 eggs. Okay, children. So this is all about queen bee. Hope you understood. So remember these points. Now let's move ahead with other types of bees. So here you can see a beehive and what bees are doing there? The bees are working in it. Okay, so there is a beehive where bees are working. So there are only few males in a hive. So in a hive there are only few male bees. Okay, most of the bees in the hive are worker bees. So most of the work are done by the worker bees. As you can see in this picture, these are also worker bees. They are doing their work. These bees work all the day. Who works all the day, children? The worker bees. As the name suggests, these are worker bees. So they work all the day. Okay. So this is all about worker bees. So let's move ahead. Collecting nectar. What is nectar, children? Nectar is a sweet liquid which is present in flowers, which attracts birds and insects towards the flowers. Okay, so nectar is a sweet liquid. So what honeybees are doing there? Worker bees are collecting nectar from flowers. Here you can see now. So they make the hive and look after the baby bees. Who make the hive and look after the baby bees? The worker bees. Okay. They collect nectar from the flowers for honey. Okay. So these worker bees also collect nectar from the flowers, which is used to make honey. The nectar is a sweet liquid which is present in flowers. I told you which attracts birds and insects towards the flowers. Because of this nectar, as it is a very sweet liquid, its sweetness attracts birds and insects to the flowers, towards the flowers. So who make the hive and look after the baby bees? The worker bees. In this picture, these are also worker bees. What are they doing? They are collecting nectar from flowers. So worker bees do so much work in the beehive to make honey. They have to make hive, they have to look after the baby bees, they have to collect nectar from flowers. So much work are done by the worker bees. Okay, the male bees have no special role as worker. So there is no special work for male bee in a beehive, as their number is also very less. There are only few male bees, so there are only in a hive. So there is no special work for male bees. So this is all about the types of honeybees.